Dear students, last period we have seen this topic as simple interest. Here, formula is SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. Here, SI means the simple interest, P means principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time period. And then amount is equals to principal plus interest. Then our next topic is a compound interest. Here formula is A equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket to the power n. Here A means the amount, and we know that here the P and P for principal, R for rate of interest, and here N means the time period, and the formula for a compound interest equals to amount minus principal. Now we see here example. Example here. Find CI means compound interest on rupees here 12,600 for 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. This is our question, students, and in this questions we have to find the compound interest. So we write here first the given means P is equals to rupees 12,600, R is equals to 10%, then N is equals to, here is a 2. Here formula is amount equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 ब्रैकेट टू द पावर n. यहाँ पहले अमाउंट फाइंड होता है, बाद में कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सो नाउ वी पुट हियर द वैल्यूज. P means principal 12,600 into bracket 1 plus R means here T 10 upon 100 bracket to the power 2. Here 0 zeros cancelled, means 12,600 into 1 plus 1 upon 10 whole square. Now we do here the cross multiplications. 12,600 into here 10 plus 1 upon 10 whole square means 12,600 into here 11 upon 10 whole square. Here power 2 means we write 2 times. यहाँ पे हम power 2 होने पर 2 times लिखेंगे, means 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10. 0 0 0 zeros cancel, means 126 into 11 into 11, and 126 into 11 into 11 means 121. Now we do here the multiplications. 126 into 121, 1 6 are 6, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 1s are 2, and 6 2 and 1, and 6 4 5 and 1 6, 6 and 6 12, 12 are 2, 1 carry, 2 and 2 4 and 1 5, then 1, means here amount is 15,246. But in this questions we have to find the compound interest. हमें compound interest find करना है. So CI is equals to amount minus principals, means 15,246 minus principal means 12,600. We do here subtraction. 15,246 and 1 2 6 0 0, 6 minus 0 6, 4 minus 0 4, then here 12 12 minus 6 means 6, and here is 4 4 minus 2 2 and 0 here, means we get here the interest 2,646. 46. Now after that, we take some questions from the new exercise. This is our new exercise 8.3. First question here. Calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.5% per annum compounded annually. Here exercise 8.3. Question number 1. A here. Here is 10,800 rupees for 3 years at 12% per annum compounded annually. So here principal is 10,800, value of n here 3, 12.5% means r is equals to 12.5%. It is a mixed number, it is a mixed fraction, so we convert it into improper, means 12 into 2 plus 1 upon 2%, means 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 means 25 by 2%. This is our rate of interest. Then we have to find here the both amount and the compound interest. So we use this formula first. A equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket to the power n. Here principal is 10,800 into 1 plus, here R means 25 upon 2 upon 100 bracket to the power 3. Then 10,800 into, that means here 25 upon 2 into 100. इस तरह से हो जाता है उसका, 2 नीचे आ जाएंगे तो 2 into 100 power 3. We know that here 21 ones are 25 into 25, 25 fours are 100. So we get 10,800 into 1 plus 1 upon, here 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Here is 8 bracket to the power 3. Now we do here cross multiplications. 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1, here 8 plus 1 upon 8 whole cube. Then we get here the 10,800 into 8 plus 1 means 9, 9 upon 8 whole cube. So we write here power 3 means we write 3 times, 9 upon 8, 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. So we divide here first. 10800, 8 ones are 8, then 2, 8 carry, 8 3s are 24, then 4 here 0, 8 5s are 40, and 0 means this 0 is here. 8 से डिवाइड हो जाता है जिससे आता है हमें 1350. We write here 1350 into 9 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. Now we divide this by 2. इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. 2 4s are 8, here 2 6 are 12, then 1 carry 15, 2 7s are 14, then 1 0, 2 5s are 15 here. Now we write here 675 into 9 into 9 into 9 upon, here 4 into 8 means 675 into, here 9 into 9 means 81, and here 8 4s are 32. Then here we multiply this 675 into 81 into 9 means 9 ones are 9, 9 8s are 72 upon 32. So we multiply these two. 675 into 729. 9 5s are 45, 4 carry, 9 7s are 63. 63 and 4, 67, 6 carry. 9 6 are 54 and 6, 60. Then 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry. 2 7s are 14 and 1 15s are 5, 1 carry. 2 6 are 12, 12 and 1 13. Then 7 5s are 35, 3 carry. 7 7s are 49, 49 and 1 3, 52 means 5, 2 5 carry. 7 6 are 42, 42 or 5, 47 means 5 7. Here is 5 and 5 10, 6 and 3 9, 9 and 3 12, 12 so 2 1 carry. 7 and 1 8, 8 and 1 9 and 4 means 492,075 upon 32 here. Now we do here the division. 32 492,075 here. 32 ones are 32. Then here is a 7 and the 1 is 2 here. 32 5s are here. 116. Then 2 1 0. Here 0 here. 32 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 means here is 4. Here is 1 means 11 minus 9 means 2. Then next is 7. Then 32 7s are 2 7s are 14, 4 1 carrying. 3 7s are 21 and 2, 21 and 2 22 means here 7 minus 4 means 3. Here 2 0. Then 5. Then again 7s are 2 2 4. Then we get here 5 minus 4 means 1 and 1. Then point 0 here. Then 32 3s are 32 3s are means 96. And here is a 4. Here 0 means 1. Then 0. 32 4s are 32 4s are 2 4s are 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 means here is 12. So here answer is rupees 1500 15,377.34. This is the value of amount. Now we calculate here the compound interest. A minus P. Here amount means 15,377.34 minus here principal is 10,800. Then we get here the rupees 4,577.34. This is the value of compound interest.